institutional structures and mechanisms of the group. Deputy Chief Minister Prestone Tensong said that the state government will take up all pending issues such as ILP, inclusion of Khasi and Garo languages in the 8th schedule of India at the earliest with the centre. Both the centre and state governments want peace talks with the banned Hunuthrep National Liberation Council, and talks should start soon, he further added.
Subjects. We'll try our best to discuss with the Honourable Home Minister. It's too early to say anything because see, until the first meeting starts, I think let us not talk much about it. But the decision from the government, be it central or the state government, is very, very clear. Interlocutor has been appointed. So it is the sole duty of the interlocutor to carry forward the wishes of the government, means central government and the state government, as well as the wishes of the HNLC.
Power Minister